Hello guys. So we have a nice little problem for you. This is not a probability question. It is kind of a puzzle. So let's start immediately. You and your friend are playing a game where you pick an integer between 1 and 10, 1 to 10, inclusive, okay, and add that to a running total, okay. The person that states 50 first, or obviously the 50 is the winner. You get to go first. What number would you say first? Okay, so the number 50 is not important, or you can pick from 1 to 12, 12 or 10, or it does not matter, right? So what matters is basically, so you pick a remainder. So I'll tell you what's happening here. So you want to be able to say 50, okay. So if you are at 40, the other person can say 50. If you are at 41, the other person can say 50. So if you are at 38, then other person will say 1 and he will be at 39, and then you have to say 140 or something else, whatever you say, he can say 50. So whoever ends up at 39, always is the winner, right? So if somebody is 50 is the winner, then somebody at 39 is the winner. Why? Because if somebody is at 50, he is a loser. If somebody is at 38, and then you can go to 39 and a winner. And if you are between 40 and 49, you are a loser. And if you are at 38, uh, if you are at 40 and somewhere between, you're a loser. Or if you are 38, the other person can go to 39. So with you win at 39, right? Because whatever the other person says at 39, you can always reach 50, right? So, and if you are at any other number after 39, so let's concentrate on between 39 and 50. If you're at any number between 39 and 50, you are a loser. But if you are at 39, then the other person is between 39 and 50, then he is the loser, right? So you want to be at 39. So if you are at 39, you win. That's done. Okay, and so the difference is 11, right? So similarly, you want to be 11 before, right? And because at the end of the day, now the game is to reach 39. So how to reach 39 comfortably? You have to be at 28, and I'm sure you know where it is going. So 17 and 6, right? So if you are at 6, he can say anything. As long as you end up, you can always reach 17. He can say whatever he wants, you will always be able to reach 17. And he can say whatever he wants, you can always reach 28. And he can say whatever he wants, you can always reach 39. And he can say whatever he wants, you can always reach 50, right? So you start with, what number do you say first? 6. So as soon as you say the first number, you are done, you are a winner, right? So it can be any number. So suppose you have a number n, and you can pick 1 to r, any inclusive. So the first number you should be able to say, first number you should be say is n remainder r. Okay, so I don't know how to I mean, I know, but I've forgotten how to write remainder function in Python, right? So let me quickly uh, Google that. How do I write in Python remainder? I think it is percentage or double slash. Okay, n percentage r, modulo operator, n percentage r. So as long as you give this the first number, you are done. Not r, sorry, r plus 1, right? Because then you can always reach r plus 1 and r plus 1, and you are always going to be there. Or you can use math matter, right? So for 50, yeah, you divide by 11, and the remainder is 6. So you say 6, and then you can reach. So suppose you are at 87, and you can choose any number between 1 to 12, both inclusive. So 87 by 13. Why did I pick this number? Right, this is not good. 78. So I have 9 remaining, right? So I start with 9, and he can do whatever he wants, and then I reach the next number, which is addition of 14, so 23, and then I reach the next number, which is 37, and I do hope my simple maths is good enough for this. So 51, and then 51, then after 51, I do hope I'm right, 65, and then 79, and then 87. So I made some mistake. I should have added 13. That's the 22, and 22 35, and then 35 to you are at 48. And please, I do apologize for not doing a good job with this. 61 and then 74 and then 87, right? So he can do whatever I want. If I start with 9, I can always reach these numbers, right? So the number you are looking for is the bigger number divided by remainder r plus 1. This should be your first number, and then you keep on adding r plus 1. Whatever the other person do, you make sure you make in your next step you are r plus 1 ahead, and then obviously you're going to reach the target. So it's not a function of probability, it's not a function of anything. As long as you pick the correct number initially and you have basic math skill very accurate, then you are done. So I do hope you learned something new here. Okay, thanks, bye.